When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
Guys, today we've got Judge Oakley facing off with a kid who thinks he's living inside some Netflix courtroom drama. This stoner walks in like rules don't exist, acting like he's untouchable, like the world's just background noise. But Oakley's not here for games. This judge is about to drop reality on him harder than anything he's ever smoked. You can literally feel the tension in the room, like everyone's waiting to see if the kid finally wakes up or just shrugs it off like nothing matters. My question to you, will this kid actually listen to Oakley's brutal wake-up call, or will he just roll out of court ready to roll up again?
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7, and then
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? We've already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay, all right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license? Yeah, transportation's going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduated this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but.
Let's be real. This kid looks like he's been smoking since day one. The way he moves, the half-closed eyes, the permanent I don't care face, it screams stoner energy. Like, if we're being honest, the doctor probably cut the cord and handed him a lighter right after. This dude's vibe is stuck in slow motion, and walking into court looking like you just ripped a gravity bong is insane. You can't take life that unseriously when the judge is staring you down. Honestly, I wouldn't even be shocked if he was high right there in front of everyone. What do you guys think? Was he still baked in that moment? Because I swear he had that lost in space energy.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like, barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
See.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he thought he had a reason.
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover tuition.
Now this part is wild. The kid claims he makes $14,000 a year and was going to college until he got fired from some little job. Like, come on. That's like saying, I was going to be a surgeon, but McDonald's let me go. It doesn't add up. And honestly, I don't even want to clown him too hard because it's obvious he's missing something bigger, a real role model. Someone to show him how to carry himself, how to actually care about his future. Judge Oakley, you can tell, genuinely cares. He's trying to break through to this kid, but the wall is strong. This dude doesn't respect teachers, cops, or judges. And if we're being honest, college won't fix that mindset.
Okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
I don't think that kid is going to change anything, honestly. He's probably going to go home and light up the za first thing like nothing ever happened. And that's honestly the sad part. So many young guys out here are just so lost, no direction, no discipline, just floating through life making terrible decisions like this kid here. When there's no strong male role model in the picture, this is exactly what happens. Nobody's there to teach them how to handle responsibility, how to move smart, or even just carry themselves with some self-respect. Instead, they're out here treating court like it's a joke, like the judge is just gonna dap them up and let them walk away. But the law doesn't work like that, and the judge is completely right. He's gonna see this guy in the future because you can just tell this dude doesn't care. But hey guys, that's just my take. Let me know what you guys think about this guy in the comments below. Should we feel bad for him? Or is he just setting himself up for failure here? Let me know your guys' take in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day, so stay tuned for that, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, take care, everybody.
And here's the big moment. Judge Oakley lays it down. 30 hours of community service, deadline set, and boom, case closed. But let's be honest. Does anyone actually believe this kid will change? Odds are he's walking straight out that courtroom ready to light up again like nothing even happened. That's the sad reality. Too many young guys drifting through life. No discipline, no guidance, no respect. They think court's a joke until the system bites back. Oakley was right. He'll probably see this kid again, because nothing about his attitude screams growth. But now I'm curious. Do you guys feel bad for him, or do you think he's digging his own grave? Drop your thoughts below, and hit subscribe for more breakdowns like this.